Hi, my name is Jose Barriga and this is my electric car, a Nissan Sentra converted to an electric. And I'm having some problems. Hopefully anybody can help me with this. I'm having a problem. This car has a 26 volt batteries for a total of 120 volts system. And then I'm trying to have the air conditioning working. So I have everything installed already. The compressor is here somewhere behind this. It's a King Leo compressor, and this is the controller. Everything is connected now. I have my condenser, my fan is here, so everything is working fine. It even starts correctly. My problem is when I start stepping on the accelerator and the voltage drops below 120 volts, the fuses, it burns the fuses. It looks like the amperage increases a lot, which is really strange. Even from the manufacturer, it seems like they say that these controllers, for example, supposed to work anywhere from 7 volts to 160 volts. So this is 7 to 160 volts. But it's not really working as soon as the voltage drops below 120 volts, which is almost there because this is a 120 volt system. So when the batteries are well charged, it goes like to 125, but as soon as it goes below 120 volts, it burns the fuses, and I'm going to make a demonstration here. So this is the main place where I'm getting my power. This is where all the batteries meet together, so they're 120 volts at this point, and that's where I got my voltage for the controller. So this cable is just coming here, and this is the main power, and this goes to the compressor. So this is a good 30 amps fuse, and I'm just going to put it here to give power to the system. So let me put it here. A new fresh 30 amps fuse. Okay, it's there. And then this is the speed control and the main power that feeds the controller. Of course, this is going to go into the cabin eventually in the dashboard, but for now this is a good place to make test. So let me just connect it to the voltage. Sometimes the compressor doesn't start. I don't even understand why. It tried to start now and it didn't. So my guess is that the voltage is a little low. Let me try this again. When I reset this and I try it again. So let me have the compressor working. The compressor is starting. I hope you can hear it. It also starts really slow. I don't know if that's a problem, but the compressor starts slow. This is the speed control. Now it's provided somewhere like 6 volts. Anyway, the compressor is working. I pretty much have 12 volts here. I have a 12, 13 volts. I have 129 volts here, and then I think this is AC, and I believe this is providing the power to the controller. So everything seems fine. The compressor stopped working, so let me see if I can reserve. You can hear the compressor now, and I'm going to make a test. I'm going to move the vehicle, and when the power drops below 120 volts, the fuse is burned. The compressor is disconnecting, I'm not sure why. Anyway, the compressor is working. So inside of the cabin I have cold air, really nice, and I have my voltage here and my amperes. Voltage is 120, 129, somewhere in there, and these are the amps. This is 0 to 400 amps. So let's make a test. I'm going to move the car backwards. And then I'm going to accelerate a little bit. Okay, keep your eye on this gauge. As soon as it goes below 120, which is just right there, the compressor will stop working and the fuse will be burned. You see, it stopped working. And when I go and see the fuse, it's going to be burned. Now the amps that the limit of amperage that I have in my controller is 1000 amps. So I think the amps are reaching 1000, but that's for the electric motor controller, not for the air conditioning. So I'm not really sure what's happening, if the AC controller is getting the same amperage as the car controller, which is this. So let me disconnect this. And you see the fuse is burned. The fuse is burned as soon as it lowers to below 120 volts. My guess is that when the voltage lowers, it tries to compensate by sucking amps, which in turn burn the fuse. I tried to use a bigger fuse, a 40 amps fuse, and the controller was damaged. The relay in the controller got damaged. This is a replacement because the original one got burned. So any ideas? Thank you.